Every living creature deserves a chance to live in safety and peace. Animals may not speak our language, but their eyes tell stories of trust, of fear, of hope. When we see an animal that is hungry, thirsty, or injured, that is our moment to show true compassion. Rescuing